A toaster strudel, otherwise called toaster pastry, is a simple and easy way to start your day. This breakfast pastry can simply be baked in a toaster oven and then sprinkled with icing or glaze. If you are up for it, you can make your own puff pastry dough. That's a little bit tasking, messy, and time-consuming. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a toaster strudel icing using a pre-made puff pastry from a grocery store. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 fully thawed puff pastry sheets. 1 teaspoon water. 2/3 cup strawberry jam or any other variation you like. 1 big egg. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 1 teaspoon whole milk. To make the icing or glaze, you need the following. 1½ tablespoons salted and melted butter. 1½ tablespoons whole milk, half and half. 128 grams or 1 cup powdered icing sugar. 1 to 2 drops or 1/8 of a teaspoon almond extract. 1/4 of a teaspoon vanilla extract. Follow these steps. 1. Preheat your toaster oven to a temperature of about 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Lay your baking sheet or oven tray with aluminum foil or parchment paper. 3. Lightly sprinkle flour on your cutting board or working surface. Then place the thawed puff pastry dough on your cutting board. 4. Cut into 6 uniform sizes, shapes of your choice. Do this one sheet at a time. 5. Mix the strawberry jam and cornstarch thoroughly in a small mixing bowl until they are well mixed. 6. Scoop about 1½ teaspoons of the mixture in step 4 above on top of the 3 cutout sizes of puff pastry. Don't spread the mixture of strawberry jam to the cutout puff pastry edges. 7. Beat up egg and milk or water in another mixing bowl. Rub this mixture on all your puff pastry edges. 8. Place the other 3 cutout sizes of puff pastry dough over the dough with the strawberry jam mixture. Then press the edges together using your fingertips or the tines of a fork. 9. When you are ready to bake, rub the top of the toaster strudels with the already whisked egg mixture. Then place them in the baking sheet. Bake for 20 minutes or until it is perfectly browned and crispy. 10. When they are baked, remove them from the toaster oven and allow the pastries to get cool a little bit. 11. Place all icing ingredients in another small bowl and whip together until it is thoroughly mixed. 12. If you want, add more milk or 1/2 to the mixture for a thinner mixture. 13. Pour mixture into a pastry bag. Then sprinkle over the toaster strudels. Enjoy while strudel is still warm. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel. Then turn on your notifications so you'll know when we post a new video. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our website, zimtoasters.com, for more content like this. Thank you for your time.